Hey everyone, this is Snapping Songbird. Today we're going to do a two-page layout of a picnic theme. It's still a summer theme, no beaches today. So I'm using Marjorieann Designs. So these are the images that come in the file. It's a picnic file. I don't have the name on hand. I'll put it in the description below. Forgot to look at it before recording. So it comes with 4 little characters, 2 male, 2 female. It has this little girl with a basket. Has this one with a soda can, this little boy with a hot dog, and this one with a spatula and a little fork in his pocket. Then it has the grill with the little fire coming out of it. It comes with picnic table. Half of my umbrella is on this side. And then it comes with these little teeny tiny little items. I mean, you could always resize them. I kept them small. Soda can, mustard bottle, ketchup bottle, mayonnaise bottle, hamburger, watermelon, and I think that's it. That's it for that file. All of the other items I've added from other files. So let me show you what I added, and I know I've got stuff all over the place here. So these are grass pieces. This, I believe, are fences from another Marjorie design. It's broken over there, but that's okay, you're not gonna see it. A Home Sweet Home file. It comes with, sorry, I'm all over the place, with this little house and a little for sale sign, a little man and a woman, and the little key. So they just bought the house, and it comes with a little fence, and I think these are the trees that come with it. So I wanted to use the house in the background, like they're grilling in front of the house. So I'm borrowing these images from that file. And then this checkerboard is actually, I just googled checkerboard pattern, red and white checkerboard pattern, and I just printed it out so that it creates my top border and my bottom border. Then I have my photo mats, and then I just have a strip of kind of like a lime green, 11.5 in length and 3 1/4 in height to just create the illusion of grass at the bottom. so here's the first page. We have our two female picnic goers at the picnic table. And I added a little burger to this little girl. She's got a soda already. This one's holding a basket. And we have room here for two small photos under 4 by 4, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And I'm not going to mat it. If I mat it, it'll look cute because it'll go with the red and white checkerboard theme. But if I do that, then the photo will just be a 3 by 3. So it'll make your photo smaller. So if I leave it alone, it'll give you more space for a photo. You wouldn't have to trim your photo any smaller. So I think I'll leave it alone. I think it looks pretty cute. All right, so let's move on to the next page. Here we go.
Hey everyone, so unfortunately I was recording the second page, the process, and my camera stopped. Again, I'm having issues with the batteries. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's time for a new camera. And it's just stopped recording and I didn't notice. So I finished the second page. I'm sorry you didn't get to see the end of that. I added a little sun here. I just punched out a little circle using a yellow piece of cardstock. I did the same thing on this side that I did on the other side with the little grass, the checkerboard paper. There's a little fence in the back. I didn't add the trees here. What I did with the trees is I cut out the top part of the tree and then just created some bushes here at the bottom. And then I added some little bushes here, or I don't know what you call that in front of the house, but then I popped up the house on some foam just to pop it out a little bit. So there's the finished results. I think it looks pretty cute. The grass doesn't align. This is a lot bigger than there. I kind of figured, I mean, I guess it's fine. It should be the same length, but because I had the house, it wasn't gonna work if I shortened this, and then if I had this taller, it wasn't gonna work here either, because then too much green behind the girls just wasn't gonna work. So I guess in my brain, they're in the backyard and they're in the front or another part of the house. In my brain, that works. So I gotta figure out what the heck's going on with my camera so that we don't have issues like this again. But I think it still came out pretty cute. So the girls are enjoying their food while the guys are on the grill, either in the front or the back of the house. So this could be the back of the house. It doesn't matter. I think it's cute. It's a cute little summer layout with enough space for 4 pictures. I couldn't really move this here and give it enough space like here because of the house. I could have moved it up a little bit more so that it aligned here, but then there would be a lot of empty space there. I'm not going to add a title. I think it's self-explanatory. It's clearly a summer picnic. So yeah, that's it. I think it's pretty cute. Maybe I could add some little ants along the way, but I think it came out pretty cute. So I think we're gonna do maybe one more summer layout, and I think that would be it. Like I said before, I have some underwater scenes, a submarine, I have some mermaids. I don't know which of the two I'm gonna do, but maybe one more summer layout. I know summer has just started, but I think I've kind of exhausted the summer scenes already, and then we'll move on to something generic, or I'll do some shares of some other projects that I have. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave some comments, maybe some suggestions on what you'd like to see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.